In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to achieve this amazing design you are seeing here using just your smartphone. Meanwhile, the original concept of this design comes from Bright Side Graphics. So let's open our Pixellab. When you open your Pixellab, this is the default of your Pixellab. The first thing you're going to do is to click on the A icon, click on text and delete this new text. Okay. The next thing, click on background, click on color. Click on color on the top, scroll by the right and select white. So this is the white background we'll be using for this design. The next thing, I want us to bring in the design, so we'll be looking at it and be very fast. So I'm going to click on this center icon here, click on import. Let's bring in the design. So this is the design here. This is actually the one I have actually recreated, okay? So this is what we'll be using. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on import. I'm going to click on these three dots here, click on browse. Let me locate the stuff I want to use. So this is the this stuff here, this 3D stuff I'm using. So I'm just going to bring this in here, increase it, then position it here. Let's rotate it just a bit. Just use this small dot here and to rotate it. Then I'm going to bring it here. Okay. Let me increase it more. Perfect. Now, I like anytime I increase any stuff in Pixellab, I like to copy it and then delete the old one, especially pictures. So I'm just going to go ahead and position this here. Okay. Then there's something I'm going to do next. Pay attention and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on sticker. When you click on sticker, don't mark this good sign. If you mark that good sign, that sticker will go. What you're going to do is just to click on any part of your design. Okay, perfect. Then you select this. Now I hope you are seeing it. Then I'm going to scroll by the right, then click on color, enable. I want to choose the color from that 3D element. So I'm going to click on this plus icon here, click on this speaker, then select the stuff, and then I'm going to pick the color I want from there. Okay, let's see. That's perfect. I'm going to mark this good sign. This did not get it too. Let's select it again. Okay, then mark this good sign. I hope you are seeing it. I'm going to increase the brightness of that shadow by moving this second one to the end. Then I'm going to click OK. Pay attention and see the next I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to drag this like this, then rotate it, move it to the side of that element there. Then I'm going to click on this second below the three dots, and then I'm going to drag this down like this. Okay, for that shadow to move to the back. Okay, so I'm going to drag it, then click on that same icon below the three dots and go back. So this is what we have here now. Okay, we have this now. So I'm just going to go ahead and lock two of them. Perfect. The next I'm going to do is to click on shape, drag this like this, bring it down, increase the width. Okay, bring it here, then go down, select the same color, or maybe this time we can decide to go with something darker. Okay, just click on this plus icon. I will take this first one up, then this one will go down a bit, the second one, then click OK, mark this good sign. Perfect. Okay, the next we're going to do is to click on import. Let's bring in the logo. We're going to bring in the logo now. Reduce the size. Okay, reduce the size. Let me use position and move it a bit. Perfect. So I'm going to click on my AI icon, click on text, click on edit, and write in the text exchange. Okay, good. I'm going to bring it here. Pay attention and see the next I'm going to do. I'm going to scroll by the right, go to color and choose black. Remember that the default color in your Pixellab is not black. I will select this black, then I'll mark this good sign. The next I'm going to do is to go to font. Okay, and choose a good font. Okay, the font I want to use is this Eastman Roman. Okay, I'm using the Mi bold. It's supposed to be semi bold. So I'm just going to go ahead and reduce this size. Okay, reduce it, then position it well. Meanwhile, the space between them is too small, so I'm going to scroll by the right. Watch what I will do. I'll go to line spacing and increase it a bit. Okay, 3. That's just perfect. Okay, let me increase this one small, just small. Okay, then use your position button to position everything very well. These are details you must pay attention to when you are doing your design. Okay, perfect. So let me click on import and bring in some stuffs. So I'm going to bring in this Bitcoin. Okay, I'm just going to reduce it, then position it here. Copy again. Copy again. Don't want this video to go up to 10 minutes. Okay, the next thing, import. Want to bring in the one that was actually blurred. Okay, I've blurred this one. Reduce it, place it here. Copy it and bring the one here. Perfect. Then the final one. So I'm going to bring in this coin here. Okay, I'm going to position this one here. Copy it. Then rotate it and place this one here. Copy it again. Okay, rotate it down here. Okay, perfect. So the next I'm going to do now is to copy this HS exchange. Click on my A icon, copy it, and then Swift and Reliable. Edit. Swift again and Swift and Reliable. I'm going to click OK. Then we're going to bring it down here and then increase it. Okay. But I don't like this font. I want to use another font for it. So I'm going to go to my font, my recent. This one will actually use Eastman Roman semi bold, but this one I'm just going to go ahead and use the bold. Okay, so that's just the difference. Okay, then we'll go to color. Then I'm going to select this. Okay, I'm going to select this. Perfect. Then this HSH change, I will copy it and then put in the final that buy and sell your crypto coin. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and edit it. Okay, so yeah, buy and sell your crypto coins with exchange at the best rate. Click OK, then we're gonna drag this like this. Okay, let's go. When I reduce it. Okay, so we have this here. Now to make sure everything is on a straight line, I'm going to click on my grid line here. Okay, activate it and then move this like this. Hope you're seeing it. Okay, so from there I'm just going to go ahead and move the remaining one. Let me lock this to avoid them interrupting me. So I'm going to move that logo first. We're almost done. Make sure you watch this video to the end so you see how I will edit this design and it will come out perfectly well. Okay, so I'm going to move this here. Okay, so the next I'm going to bring in now is the shape. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this shape, then drag this like this, bring it down here. What I see the next I still want to do, I'm going to click on edit actually, and then the radius increase it to 5, then mark this good sign. Okay, then drag this here like this. Okay, then I'm going to bring it down here. Let's use position and position it well. Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this and write trade with us. Okay, sorry, bring it here. We increase the size, of course. Okay, then change the color to white, then position it well. Perfect. Let me still adjust this more. Okay, so the final thing is just to bring in the WhatsApp icon and the Instagram icon. So I'm clicking on the center icon, click on import. So I'm going to select a social media icon, bring it in, mark this good sign, okay? Then I'm just going to go ahead and copy it. Then click on crop. Then just crop out the other icons. Pick my WhatsApp icon, okay? Then I'm going to use it. Remember, when you activate your grid line and you want to go back, just click on grid line. It will just remove it, okay? So I'm going to position this. Go to color, enable using white. Okay. The next one, select it, click on crop, and then let's select only the Instagram icon. Okay. Reduce it to let's see. And then position it well too, okay? Change the color to white, like the first one. Okay, then this stage with us, we're just going to copy it and then put in the phone number. Okay, click OK. But now, if you look at this, you discover that this font does not support number, so we have to change it. So we're going to go to font and get another font that can serve us. So I want to use this Avantika, okay? This is the font I'm using. So I'm going to click OK. Reduce this. In case you don't know how to download fonts to your Pixellab, check my YouTube channel. You see the video on how to download fonts to your Pixellab, okay? So I'm going to copy these two again and then write this change, then bring this here. Then I'm going to move all of them together to make sure they are at the center. So I'm clicking on this icon below the three dot, then I will select it 1, 2, 3, 4. Then click on this icon here, click on this relative position, then click on this center one. Okay, good. Let's don't like the way this is. Okay, it can be better. Let's move it. Okay, let's move this. We are done already. It's just for us to edit it. So stick with me. Make sure you don't miss any part of the video, so you don't miss some important parts. Okay, take your time to arrange this. These are the attention to details that make your design to actually stand out. Okay. Okay, let's move this closer. Now let's use our relative position and move all of them together. Good. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the old one. Let's see. So here we go. Let's move this. Okay, maybe you just leave it there. Okay, let's move this up a bit. I think it's too small for me. Okay, arrange this one too. Perfect. So we're just going to go ahead and save it. Remember to save as project and save as image, so we can now edit it. When you edit it, it will make it to pop very well. So immediately I'm done saving it, the app we'll be using for the editing is Snapseed. Okay, so this one I did before. So I'm just going to click on open and then bring in this one we just finished. Okay. Then I'm going to click on tools. Click on details. Come to the structure, increase it to 50. Just 50-50. That's what I'm going to do to it. Perfect. Then mark this good sign. See the before, see the after. Okay, to save your work, just click on export, save, and you are done. If you find value, do well to subscribe. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, like the video, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.